Hello everyone and welcome back to Travel Fans. Today we are reviewing the Estate Junior Residence at Grace Bay Club in Turks and Caicos. We also have a full resort review and a review of the 4-bedroom residence, so if you have a larger group, be sure to check that out. Now let's take a look at the Estate Junior Residence here at Grace Bay Club. This room is designed for 2 guests and includes 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom, so it's a much more intimate option but still big enough to not feel crowded. Inside, you'll find a comfortable king-size bed, along with a small table and 2 chairs. There's also a TV and plenty of closet space, which is especially nice if you're staying for several days. The room has a really open and comfortable feel, while still giving you plenty of space to relax. The bathroom is also really spacious, with 2 sinks, a large soaking tub, and a separate shower. The shower was complete with soap, shampoo, and conditioner, which is so convenient. There's also a separate toilet room with a bidet, which is a nice added touch. We stayed on the ground floor, and being just steps away from the estate pool was a total game changer. Our private patio felt like a little oasis, complete with comfy chairs and even an outdoor shower. Overall, I think this is a really great option for a couple or anyone looking for a more private and relaxed stay at Grace Bay Club. You get the comfort and space of a residence without needing one of the larger multi-bedroom units, while still having that beautiful outdoor space and easy access to the pool. If you like this review, be sure to check out our full Grace Bay Club video for more information on what this resort really has to offer. Thank you so much for watching, and come back anytime to Travel Fans, where we make your travel better.